Good evening, class. Myself, Umesh Rathore, lecturer in mechanical engineering from Vallabhpuri Polytechnic, Navsari. In today's lecture, we learn about cost estimation in gas cutting. Of the subject estimating, costing, and contracting, subject code 3351905 from Mechanical Engineering Department. So, start with cost element in gas cutting. The main cost element in gas cutting are material cost of oxygen gas, acetylene gas, and somewhat electrode. Labor cost for performing the work. Post cutting. So after welding, a several stage is introduced in several components. To relieve it, post cutting treatment is used. Finishing or machining cost. After welding, the spatter are introduced in welding. To remove finishing or machining is required. And the overhead like administrative tooling, etc. Now procedure for cost estimation in gas cutting. The first one is material cost. Material cost can be divided in two groups, oxygen cost and acetylene cost. To find oxygen cost, we have to first find cutting time. So we see the equation of cutting time in previous lecture. Cutting time equal to cutting length in meter divided by cutting speed meter per hour. For oxygen consumption in meter cube, we have to find oxygen consumption rate per hour. So oxygen consumption rate in meter cube per hour. So in 1 hour, how much oxygen to be consumed? For removing hour, we have to introduce cutting time. So in that way, uh, we have to achieve equation for oxygen consumption. Now oxygen cost equal to oxygen consumption in meter cube into oxygen rate per meter cube. Now the acetylene cost, same way acetylene consumption in meter cube equal to acetylene consumption rate in meter cube per hour into cutting time. So acetylene cost equal to acetylene consumption in meter cube into acetylene rate per meter cube. Now labor cost. We discussed in our previous lecture. Labor cost equal to cutting time in hour into labor rate in rupees per hour. Now the total gas cutting cost. Gas cutting cost equal to oxygen gas cost plus acetylene gas cost plus labor cost. In that way, we have to find gas cutting cost. In several cases, they also ask about total gas cutting cost. So total gas cutting cost equal to gas cutting cost plus post cutting treatment we discussed in our theory, machining cost, and the overhead cost. So let's have a look few example. For plate each of size 1000 into 500 into 5 mm are to be gas cut from MS plate of size 2000 into 1000 into 5 mm. Find gas cutting cost for the following data. Oxygen consumption 5 meter cube per hour. Acetylene consumption 2 meter cube per hour. Cutting speed 10 meter per hour. Cost of oxygen rupees 12 per meter cube. Labor cost rupees 30 per hour. And the cost of acetylene rupees 30 per meter cube. So starting with solution, what we have, a plate of 2000 millimeter into 1000 millimeter. We have to cut it in a 4 plate, each of size 1000 millimeter into 500 millimeter. So the cutting length equal to 2000 millimeter into 1000 millimeter equal to 3000 millimeter equal to 3 meter. Now cost estimation in gas cutting. Material cost, we have two types, oxygen cost and acetylene cost. So starting with oxygen cost, we have to first find cutting time. So cutting time equal to cutting length divided by cutting speed. What is cutting length we have? 3 meter. Cutting speed 10 meter per hour. So it is equal to 0.3 hour. Now oxygen consumption. So oxygen consumption equal to oxygen consumption rate meter cube per hour into cutting time. So oxygen consumption rate how much we have 5 into cutting time how much we have 0.3. So it is equal to 1.5 meter cube. Now oxygen cost equal to oxygen consumption into oxygen rate. So what is the value of oxygen consumption? 1.5 and the value of oxygen rate 12 rupees. So it is equal to 18 rupees. Same way acetylene cost. Acet For that we have to find acetylene consumption. Acetylene consumption equal to acetylene consumption in meter cube per hour into cutting time. So what is acetylene consumption we have? 2 meter cube per hour into cutting time 0.3. So it is equal to 0.6 meter cube. Now acetylene cost equal to acetylene consumption into acetylene rate. So how much acetylene consumption we have? zero point 0.6. And what is the acetylene rate? 30 rupees. So it is equal to 18 rupees. Now labor cost. Labor cost equal to cutting time into labor rate. So what is cutting time we have? 0.3 into labor rate we have 30. So it is equal to 9 rupees. Now the gas cutting cost equal to oxygen gas cost plus acetylene gas cost plus labor cost. So it is equal to 18 plus 18 plus 9. So it is equal to 45 rupees. This is our gas cutting cost. Let's see another example. A round plate of 1 meter diameter is to be cut from a plate of 20 millimeter thickness. We have to cut a plate of circular plate of 1 millimeter diameter from a 20 millimeter thickness plate if the cutting speed is 20 meter per hour and the oxygen consumption rate is 4.2 meter cube per hour and the acetylene consumption rate is 0.37 meter cube per hour. Then find cutting time, oxygen consumption and acetylene consumption. So starting with solution, what we have? A circular plate which have a diameter of 1 meter and a thickness of 20 millimeter. So starting with cutting length, we have to cut a circular plate. So the cutting is only done on a circular periphery of a circular plate. So cutting length equal to pi into diameter. So what is the value of pi? 3.14 into diameter 1. So cutting length equal to 3.14 meter. Now cutting time. Cutting time equal to what we have? Cutting length divided by cutting speed. So what is cutting length? We have 3.14 and what is cutting speed? We have 20 meter per hour. So it is equal to 0.157 hour. It is our cutting time and our first solution. Now move on to our material consumption. We have two types of material consumption, oxygen and acetylene. First start with oxygen consumption. So oxygen consumption is equal to oxygen consumption rate into cutting time. So what oxygen consumption rate we have? 4.2 into cutting time 0.157. So it is equal to 0.66 meter cube. This is our second answer. And the acetylene consumption. For that acetylene consumption equal to acetylene consumption rate into cutting time. So it is equal to 0.37 into 0.157. So it is equal to 0.058 meter cube. This is our final answer. Thank you student. Thanks for listening me carefully.